for creating a menu, let's go to appearance. Let's go to menus. So you will end up in this screen. So here you can see an option called create menu, and you have access to different pages just now we created. Contact us, about, web design, services, home, and sample page which was there previously. So let's give this menu a name, call it as main menu, and click on create menu. So you can create a number of menus, and those menus you can align it with your WordPress theme basically. So here we just want a single menu on our top bar. So where we want to display it, I want to display it to the top bar. I'll save my selection. Let's give it a minute. Okay, so now what are the pages I need on my main menu? I need a home page. I need a services page. I need my web design, about, and contact us page. Let's click on add to menu. Okay, so let's save it and let's see how it looks right now. Okay, so if I go to my site, let's refresh it, and you can see right here our menus are appearing. All right, so this is okay, but this is not looking very good. All right, so but another requirement was like to create a menu with some submenu options. For creating that, so what we thought of creating is under the services we want web design to be present. So in order to achieve that, what we have to do is, so let's just drag it below to the services section, this web design, and hold it and just drag to the right hand side. So now it is a sub item. So let's say I want home to be present at the first item on my menu. I'll scroll it to the top. Then I want, let's say about, and then I want services. Then I want contact us. Let's save the menu and let's see what happens. Let's give it a minute. So while it is saving, you have option to create menus for top bar. We have seen it how where it appears. Then in the main section would be this default bar, default header section. Or then you can also create a menu for footers as well. And you can create a separate menu for mobile as well. Okay, now let's refresh our page and see how our menu is looks like. So you can see now a little arrow under services, and we can see our submenu appears right over here. All right. So, but we don't need this top bar at all. We need a default, we need a single header with all these entries inside here. Okay. So in order to achieve it, so let's remove this top bar and click on main and click on save menu. Now that it is saved, let's go to the page. Let's refresh. And you can see we have the main menu where it is appearing exactly like what we need. Okay, but it is okay. We are seeing our menu page, we are seeing a text over here, and then it is kind of okay right now, and we do see this search button as well. Okay, so uh, what is the next? So we need it. So now our theme is ready. So there is another option is you can see over here a footer section, right? If I click on footer, if I'll save the menu, so let's go to and refresh the page. So you can see this menu right now appears on the footer. Okay, so if it is a sub menu, it will appear like this. So my recommendation would be not creating sub menu in Ocean WP theme. You can actually tweak this by using some CSS while you create the child theme out of this Ocean WP theme. But for footer, it's not recommended to create basically um, the sub items.